Over the recent years, animals around the world have been constantly facing the threat of extinction. Although different groups have tried to slow down the animals' population declining, it is still a huge problem. The Worldwide Federation has said that the Earth has lost half of its wildlife in the past 40 years. The problem is getting more and more serious, and we need to raise awareness of it. Although there are many endangered animals, we will be covering 3 of them: the polar bear, African rhino, and the giant panda. Polar bears are marine mammals that live on the sea ice of the Arctic Ocean. The extinction risks of polar bears are rated vulnerable. There are multiple threats to polar bears. The first reason being the large amount of ice that has been melting over the last 20 years. Their prey get hunted down by humans, leaving them with little to no food left. Poachers also hunt for polar bears, skinning them and turning them into clothing. White rhinos are considered near threatened. They are a significant conservation success story. Their population recovered from less than 100 in 1895 to over 20,000 today. Although the number of white rhinos recovered, there are no northern white rhinos left in the wild, only a handful in captivity. African black rhinos are currently critically endangered. There are western black rhinos declared extinct in 2011. 96% of black rhinos were lost due to the large scaling of poaching between 1970 and 1992. Now just 4,800 individuals are in the wild today. The biggest threat to African rhinos is the poaching for their horns. In 2014, the recorded number of rhinos poached are 1,200. This can lead to a quick extinction of the African rhinos. Pandas have been one of the most known endangered animals around the world, and has become a national treasure for China. Poaching for their fur is one of the reasons for their decreasing population, but the destruction of their home and loss of food is a greater reason. Its territory lies in the economic heart of China. That's why forests has been destroyed and factories and railroads are replaced. Their prey are often hunted as well, leading to the lack of food source. China has around 50 pandas in captivity. The Hong Kong Ocean Park has 4 pandas for showcase. Here we send one of the pandas, protected by the park from hunters and provided with food and water and a livable habitat. Although different groups are doing their best to help solve this problem, we as normal people cannot help easily solve this problem. But we can help by slowing down global warming for the environment of these animals by recycling more and wasting less food. We can also buy less products made from these animals to not furthermore encourage people to poach them. Although this may sound useless, but if everybody joins in, we may just have a chance of saving these animals.